Want to use Microsoft Excel on your MacBook? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to download and install Excel directly from the App Store. This method works on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, and most other Mac computers. First, go to the dock at the bottom of your screen and open the App Store. If you don't see the App Store in your dock, press Command plus Spacebar on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Then type App Store and press Enter. Once the App Store opens, go to the search box on the left side of the screen. Type Excel, then press Enter on your keyboard. Now, from the search results, look for Microsoft Excel. It should usually appear near the top. Click on it to open the app page. Next, click on the Get button to start downloading Excel. If your Mac asks for confirmation, enter your Apple ID password, use Touch ID, or approve the download using your Apple account. Now, wait for Microsoft Excel to download and install on your Mac. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch Microsoft Excel. When Excel opens, sign in with your Microsoft account. You can use an Outlook, Hotmail, or Microsoft 365 account. If you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you'll be able to create, edit, and save spreadsheets using all the main Excel features. After signing in, you can start creating new spreadsheets, opening existing Excel files, and managing your data directly from your Mac. And that's it. Microsoft Excel is now installed and ready to use on your Mac. I hope this guide helped you get Excel set up quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.